In this week's edition of Your Health Live, we're going to talk about physical therapy during the cooler months. Joining us now with more here at St. Luke's Monroe campus in Bartonsville is Greg Massie. Greg, it's good to see you.
Likewise, good to see you.
So the cooler months of the year can take a toll on our bodies. A lot of things going on. You may see some more injuries this time of year more so. What are some things people are dealing with?
Sure. One of the more common things that we see in the winter months are people that go ahead and injure their back, whether they are shoveling or clearing out some snow. And another thing we'll see too is a lot of upper extremity, shoulder and arm issues from the same thing, lifting and shoveling, not using the proper mechanics. A lot of times people have the tendency to kind of bend forward and try to lift with their back instead of getting down in more of a squat position or having a flat back. We always advise everybody to lift with your legs, not with your back, to try to prevent those injuries. And in the event that you do go ahead and you do sustain an injury, we always tell everyone to try to seek treatment as fast as you can. Research shows the faster you seek treatment, the quicker the outcome and the recovery will be.
Greg, is it safe to say that even as we head into the spring that people are out moving more? Maybe they're out in the yard, they're tackling projects. Do you see those same kind of things happening?
Sure. At any season, there's always some new activity that's going on. So in the springtime, as we're getting away from those cold weather months, people want to start taking care of the outside of their house again, get that landscaping going. A lot of times people will be down on their hands and knees doing gardening again or putting down mulch. Same thing, lifting techniques and body mechanics are crucial throughout the entire year. So as long as people are keeping in mind, keep a nice flat back, lift with my legs, and modify your activity. If you've been dormant all winter, as a lot of us are, start to ease back into it. Maybe don't go do 5-6 hours of yard work right off the bat. Maybe do an hour or two at a time, take a break, walk around a little bit, stretch out, and then get back into the activity. Anything too much, too soon, too fast is always going to set you up for a potential overuse injury.
Greg, sometimes you may try your best, but those injuries still happen. So let's talk about St. Luke's here at Monroe and some of the things you can help people with when it comes to physical therapy.
Sure. So here in Monroe, it's actually an exciting time. We have an outpatient office located in our Stroudsburg area. We also have an outpatient office located in our Blakesley area. And here in March, we opened up our office in Broadheadsville. So we really have clinics located throughout the county. Each clinic has clinicians that are capable of treating injuries related to sports, general orthopedics, post-surgical care, and we also range into the more neurological disease processes, such as Parkinson's disease or helping someone recover from a stroke. We accept most insurances in the area, and in the event that we have an insurance that we don't accept, we try to go ahead and work with you or with your primary care physician to try to get that plan worked out. And in the state of Pennsylvania, you can actually go ahead and see a physical therapist for 30 days without a doctor's prescription, and insurances will pay for that. In the event that the insurance doesn't pay for it, again, we call your primary care physician and we work something out so that way we can get that approved, get that insurance referral that we need, and start to get you back on the road to recovery.
For additional information on physical therapy here at St. Luke's Monroe, you can head to sluhn.org. Greg Massie here for this week's Your Health Live. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.